Welcome back to Shaikhain, and I am Saeed. Preamble of a written contract is the introductory paragraph that identifies the parties to the agreement and is typically followed by paragraphs known as recitals, also called the background or whereas clauses. Taken together, the preamble would tell the reader who, what, when, and why of the envisaged transaction. There are several kinds of whereas clauses. A few of them we discuss here in brief. Party-related recitals reflecting the relevant business activities of each party to the contract. Context or background recitals describing the events or circumstances which led to the transaction. Another could be the compliance-related recitals that certain requirements or prerequisites prior to entering into the agreement have been duly complied with. Transaction-related recitals for non-standard complex transactions, it is sometimes inevitable to explain the various required steps. And like a setup recital, many drafters prefer to express a general intention stating that parties desire to reduce their understanding into writing, hence this agreement. Remember that recitals may be helpful to define the subject matter. Do not, however, use loose language to describe a subject matter that is otherwise well defined in a definition, as this may create ambiguity. Whereas clauses should never contain any obligation, any conditions, warranties, policies, rules, or duties whatsoever. Altogether, the matter addressed in the preambles should be of such importance that if any of them were not true, I repeat that if any of them were not true, the contract should be capable of being nullified on the legal ground of mistake. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, we always advise our clients to take time to carefully review this section in every contract to be sure that story it tells is true and complete. It could prevent costly conflicts later. If you want to discuss your contract clauses or contractor issues, you may contact our contract expert lawyer through our email or WhatsApp, and thank you.